Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you a quick video tour of our VW Touran. So this is our 2010 VW Touran. It's only covered just over 80,000 miles from new, has had 3 former keepers with the last owning it since 2014. It's got good service history, and whilst in our care, we've replaced the all-important timing belt and water pump, given it a service, replaced the rear disc and pads, fresh MOT with no advisories, and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. Overall, it's not in bad condition for the age and mileage. A couple of little marks here and there, which I think you've got to expect with the age and mileage of this sort of car. Inside, you've got AM/FM radio, touchscreen Satnav, aux inputs, air conditioning's blowing out nice and cold, steering wheel controls, parking sensors front and rear as well, along with park assist. It's the 6-speed diesel manual, 1.9 diesel. Privacy glass in the back, loads of legroom. These are really practical family motors. And you've also got a lovely big boot to match as well, with 2 more seats to fold up from the rear just here. Overall, a really nice motor, very practical family car. Decent spec, good service history, 4 matching Goodyear tyres as well. Plenty of life left on them. Very nice practical motor. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.